Choose it and lose it with Rose Reisman. Oh, Rose. First of all, you look hot.
Oh,
love that dress. Looking good.
Thank you. Tell my hubby. Okay.
I will. Well, if he's watching, you've got a hot wife. Let's look at these desserts. And I'm telling you, I'm pretty good. I can deal with the pasta and the French fries, and I can contain myself. I cannot. Jennifer, I cannot handle it.
I can't either. And I have to tell you, just preparing this in the last day and getting it on the set, I wanted to devour it all because this is my weakness, everybody's weakness. So we're doing today desserts.
Okay, so we're going to make the right choice with the desserts.
Yeah, and I'm going to blow your mind with some calories and then give you great choices. So first of all, we're going to go to Milestones, okay? A fabulous dessert there called the cookie. Ooh. All right, so if you eat this, it's a cookie with chocolate, caramel sauce, white chocolate chunks, vanilla gelato.
My kind of dessert.
You're going to start sounding like the Cookie Monster and go, me want cookie. All right? This is going to come in at 1,300 calories. Almost a day's intake for a woman.
Okay.
69 grams of fat.
All right.
113 grams of sugar, which is equal to half a cup of sugar.
I still might choose it. I'm sorry, Rose. I'm sorry.
But instead, you could have 3.5 Dairy Queen strawberry sundaes in terms of calories for the same.
Really?
So put it in perspective how much fat.
I couldn't even eat that.
This is fat with the chocolate, the butter, everything else.
Wow.
The alternative at Milestones is outstanding. It's called Nibera chocolate cake.
Yes.
All right. It's got vanilla gelato, drizzle of chocolate, a little bit of whipped cream, 334 calories. And this, I had to have a little bite before I bought an extra one for myself. Delicious, 18 grams of fat compared to 69 grams of fat. And only 30 grams of sugar. Try a bite.
Really? Maybe I should just for so I could let you know. Maybe a little bit of
this is made more with egg whites, not as much butter, not as much actually melted chocolate. What do you think?
I think I'm going to finish it.
Okay. Wait, well, you haven't tried that yet after the set. Okay.
Okay, right over here.
All right, let's go over it. I told you, you get addicted. The keg. Good old chocolate cake, vanilla ice cream.
That's what I'm ordering.
Comfort food, you know what? Lose the memory, okay? This is coming in at 1,059 calories, 59 grams of fat. Again, close to your day's intake, but this is a killer. At the keg, you could get 8-ounce steaks for the same amount of fat, top sirloin. 3 steaks equal that.
I could actually eat those.
And this looks so innocent, but guess what?
It does.
The keg has got a fabulous dessert called the Billy Miner pie. This is mocha ice cream, chocolate crust, Oreo cookie crust, you know, a little bit of this and that. 573 calories versus 1,031 grams of fat. So Billy Miner, if you don't know, was
if you're going to do it, make the right choice.
And he was the first train robber in Canada, so I think he got away with it because he wasn't eating the chocolate cake.
Exactly.
All right, Baskin & Robbins. This is where it's a good example. Don't drink your calories. Vanilla milkshake looks so innocent.
It does. It does really look innocent.
880 calories. Ooh. 45 grams of fat, half a cup of sugar in there.
Okay.
Equivalent to 16 PC chocolate chunk cookies in terms of sugar, the same amount. Instead, guess what? A 2-scoop vanilla ice cream sundae with chocolate sauce, 530 calories, that's 880. 29 grams of fat versus 45.
There you go.
And this is going to be more satisfying for sure.
Okay.
All right, Starbucks. So now we get the banana loaf. Always looks innocent.
It does.
Well,
I think that would be a very healthy choice. There you go.
430 calories, a third of your day, Jennifer. 17 grams of fat, equivalent to you could be having 19 chocolate kisses for the same amount in calories. Instead, go for the Marshmallow Dream Bar, which is only 200 calories.
And more satisfying.
4 grams of fat versus 17 grams of fat.
Totally picking this.
This was fantastic.
All right.
So good old Starbucks. And finally, we are at Dairy Queen.
Yes.
Oh my God, the Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard. After this, you're gonna look and move like a turtle, okay? It's so delicious. So 1,030 calories.
Yes.
53 grams of fat.
Yes.
Again, half a cup of sugar, 28 teaspoons of sugar. Equivalent in sugar to 9 Boston cream donuts.
You didn't even have a big enough cover to fit all those donuts.
Are you ready? But this blew my mind, and I'm going to go there today and have one. A banana split.
You are blowing my mind. Are you kidding me?
530 calories versus 1,000 for the banana split. 13 grams of fat versus 53 grams of fat.
You've changed my life,
So you're going to
Rose.
have a banana split today.
I am totally having that banana split. I think I'm going to go back to that chocolate
Oh, I know, but
dessert over there.
Okay, if you have time, we can eat all this before.
Thank you so much, Rose Reisman. Choose it and lose it. RoseReisman.com for more information. And we're going to have all your information also on
Absolutely.
breakfasttelevision.ca.